Take a ride in the 2019 Chevrolet Trax. The Trax is tiny on the outside, but remarkably spacious within. It comes with clean and modern interiors and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, traction control, backup camera, remote engine start, steering wheel audio controls, stability control, Bluetooth, driver airbag, power steering. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.